Hello, welcome to the Windows Presentation Foundation course. In this course, I will be talking about starting with desktop applications. My name is Eduardo Rosas Osorno, and I'm a software engineer at Lifeword. So who am I? Like I said, that's me. I'm a software engineer. I have created several applications, mobile applications, desktop applications, both for the enterprise and for the company that I co-founded. In the company that I co-founded, we specialize in software development and IoT devices development. So for those of you who don't know what IoT is, it's just the Internet of Things, and it's about creating very interesting pieces of devices that connect to the Internet, uh, especially those who you wouldn't expect to be connected to the Internet, such as a door or a window, stuff like that. But we're not here to talk about IoT. The most important thing, I am not scared in that picture. So let's actually get into Windows Presentation Foundation. Windows Presentation Foundation is based on the .NET framework, and let's actually dive into it. So Windows Presentation Foundation, or WPF as I'll be referring to it in the most part of this course, is a next generation presentation system for building Windows client applications. And this is with visually stunning user experiences. With this technology, with WPF, you can create a wide variety of standalone and browser hosted applications. So it's just not for the desktop, you can actually host these applications on a browser. The core of Windows Presentation Foundation is a resolution independent and vector-based rendering. This means that it doesn't matter the resolution of the screen that you are actually um, looking at when you execute the application, you will have the exact same result because its rendering is actually vector-based. The rendering engine of WPF is vector-based instead of resolution-based. So this makes a very much reliable development when you create your user interfaces. So WPF extends the core with a comprehensive set of application development features that include XAML, and we will be talking a lot about XAML. And this is extensible application markup language. Is kind of something like XML, extensible markup language. It's just a little different, but don't worry, we will be talking very much about this. So we also have controls, data binding. We will be covering data binding a lot, layout, 2D and 3D graphics, animations, styles, templates. We can actually get access to documents, edit them, create them, a lot of things. Media, text, typography. We actually do all this with C#, and C# is a very complete language, very powerful language based in C++, and it's just more beautiful, way more beautiful than C++. So WPF is also included in the Microsoft.NET framework, so you can actually build applications that incorporate other elements of the .NET framework class library. This course is really uh, for newcomers and for people who are actually just beginning the development on desktop apps. And not just desktop apps, but actually a lot of the things that we will be covering in this course are very well applied to Windows and Windows phone applications. So almost everything that we will be covering in this course, you can actually apply to a Windows or Windows phone client application.